friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can turn your personal Instagram account to your professional account. For this you need to install Instagram app in your phone and log in with your ID and password and open this, and after that you need to click on your profile picture. At the top, click on these three lines, click on first option, settings. Now at the bottom you can click on switch to professional account, click on continue. Now you can select any of your dish, blogger, clothing, anything you can select and click on done. It can take up to 30 seconds to finish creating your account to professional. You can click on creator or business. I am just using as a creator and click on continue. You can share logins using account center, or you can simply click on continue. So it will require a permission to continue. Add your account. So you can set up your account. These are the 5 steps. Get inspired, grow your audience, you can explore anything. So you can fill all this information, you can inspire it, you can follow other businesses or creators to see how they share content and engage with their audience. You can do all these things, you can follow them. And this option, grow your audience, you can grow your audience by sending them SMSs or by inviting them via email, or you can share content, view insights. You can create post and you can view the insights of your post, how many views you have received. So this is very useful. These are professional tools that you can get. So after completing it, I hope now friends you will be able to do it. This is very easy. You can see this is my complete information, and you can just click on save changes, and you are done and you have set up your professional account.